Hey there, quick review on this Flexzilla recoil hose. I've reviewed and used Flexzilla products for years. They really make premium hose products. So with this recoil hose, there are some unique features on this that you won't find on other recoil hoses. So first off, you're gonna get this, and one disadvantage to this hose is it is not going to come with couplers. You're gonna have to supply your own couplers for this. The nice thing about that is you can put on good couplers and not, cheaper couplers that are gonna come with some of these other hoses. So they're gonna work really well. I got some Milton couplers on here. Now, you'll notice with this hose, we've got a long straight section here, 16 inches. This is a tool end. So you can plug your nail gun or something like that into this, and it's not gonna get hung up as easy. So that's kind of a premium feature on this hose. The other nice thing on the tool end that's got the tool whip, the fitting is a swiveling fitting. So things are not going to get twisted up as you move around, and you might be using a nail gun to nail things. This is going to twist independently of the hose, and therefore the hose is not going to get all tangled up and stuff. So that's a key premium feature that is worth paying extra money for. And then you will notice also the protection on the ends here. We've got kind of this spring swivel protection here, so you're not going to get kinks at the end of the hose and potentially cause air leaks. The hose itself, 1/4 inch polyurethane, feels really good. It feels better quality than other recoil hoses that I have. It's gonna be probably your most durable 1/4 inch poly hose, what you're gonna get right here. So plugging it in here, works good. Plugging this Flexzilla hose in here, airs up nicely, no leaks. The fittings did come with tape on them already, so you just have to put your fittings on and go. This being a recoil hose, it's gonna stretch out really nice. This is about 16 feet of stretch right here. It's a 25-foot hose. You really don't want to stretch it out all the way to 25 feet because you will lose some of that spring back recoil whenever you come back. So works really good. And again here, just demonstrating on the tool end of the hose, it is a swivel fitting. So your air tool is going to pivot independent of the hose so it won't get kinked up. Overall, excellent product. I would recommend it. This is definitely one of your most premium recoil hoses that you're gonna find.